What this video will cover is information about the written exam for the CNA test in the state of Florida. The place that you want to go always to get your information about CNA testing is Prometric, and if you just put in your search engine Prometric, CNA Florida, it'll bring you to their website, and this is a great place to get a lot of information. There's the candidate information bulletin and take a practice test. I'm going to go over both of those. So in the testing bulletin, this is the information that's going to be covered in your written test. So you're going to have 60 questions and you're going to have 90 minutes in order, an hour and a half in order to complete your test. Most of my students that take this test don't take anywhere near an hour and a half to complete it, but you do have that extra time in case you need it. This is the information that's going to be covered on your CNA test, and you can see it's the role of the CNA, promotion of safety, promotion of the function and the health of the resident, basic nursing care provided by the nurse aide, and providing specialized care for the resident with changes in health. And that's going to be, and it shows you the % of each test. Now, what I really highly recommend you do if you're going to take the CNA test in the state of Florida, once you've registered to take the test, and we've gone over that in the previous video, so if you don't know how to register to take the test, go back to that first video about registering to take the test. But once you've registered to take the test, then with your Prometric ID number, you can actually, for only $25, get 150 test questions. It's an amazing tool, and these are written practice exams that are written by the people that are going to test you. So it's a real valid measure whether you're ready to take the test or not, and it's only $25. How you're going to register to take those tests, you'll see here, is that you're going to need to register, and in order to do that, you're going to need your Prometric testing ID. You're going to get that once you've registered to take the test. So that's what you're going to want to do, and like I said, it's only $25. What I like about these written practice tests is they give you feedback. So you'll take it on a computer just like you're going to take it on testing day, and then they're going to give you feedback. So if you get the question wrong, you're really going to get a great understanding of what you did right or what you did wrong on that test. And you could just take that before you even start to study to see where your weaknesses are. After taking the practice test, if you're still struggling, I do offer some individual tutoring on the written exam, but a lot of times people don't even need tutoring on the written exam. They just need to spend this $25 to get this 150 test questions. But I'm always available for tutoring if you need to just to sit down and polish one-on-one if you had some questions. So if you have anything, if I can help you in any other way, please feel free to reach out. But otherwise, have a great day, and I hope this was helpful.